Hello, amazing yogis, and welcome to our fun yoga adventure. Today, we're going on a special journey to become super flexible, stand up tall and proud, and have a whole lot of fun with 10 awesome yoga poses made just for you. Are you ready to stretch, breathe, and play? Great, let's get started. Our first pose is the cat-cow stretch. Come onto your hands and knees like a little kitten. Make sure your hands are right under your shoulders and your knees are under your hips. Now, as you breathe in, drop your belly down. Look up to the sky and say moo, like a happy cow. Then, as you breathe out, arch your back up like a scaredy cat. Tuck your chin to your chest and hiss, hiss. Let's do that a few more times. Inhale, moo, exhale, hiss. This is a fantastic way to warm up our spines and get them ready for more fun. Next up, we're becoming a strong and brave warrior. This is warrior to pose. Step 1 foot forward and bend that knee, keeping it right over your ankle. Your back leg stays straight. Now, stretch your arms out wide, one pointing forward and one pointing back, like you're surfing on a giant wave. Look over your front fingertips with a brave warrior face. Feel how strong your legs are. This pose makes our legs and core super powerful. Now, let's switch sides and be a warrior on the other leg. Time to reach for the stars with triangle pose. From your warrior stance, straighten your front leg. Now, reach, reach, reach forward as far as you can, and then let your front hand come down to rest on your shin or ankle. Your other arm reaches straight up to the sky. Imagine you're a big, sparkly triangle. Look up at your top hand and feel that wonderful stretch all along the side of your body. This pose is amazing for making our sides long and flexible. Don't forget to do the other side. Let's transform into a slithering snake with cobra pose. Lie down on your tummy and place your hands flat on the floor right under your shoulders. Now, press into your hands and lift your chest off the floor, just like a cobra peeking out of its basket. Keep your hips on the ground and look straight ahead. SSES, SSSS. Can you feel that gentle stretch in your back? This pose helps us have a strong and healthy back. Lower down slowly. Now, let's balance like a beautiful, tall tree. This is tree pose. Stand on one foot and place the sole of your other foot on your ankle, calf, or even your inner thigh, just not on your knee. Bring your hands together at your heart. Find something in front of you that isn't moving and focus on it to help you balance. Can you grow your branches by reaching your arms up to the sky? You're a strong, steady tree. This pose is great for focus and balance. Let's try it on the other leg. Get ready to fold in half with our seated forward bend. Sit down on the floor with your legs stretched out straight in front of you. Sit up super tall, and as you breathe in, reach your arms up high. As you breathe out, slowly fold forward over your legs, reaching for your toes, ankles, or shins. It doesn't matter how far you go. Just feel that nice stretch in the back of your legs. Imagine you're a piece of paper folding neatly in half. Time to open up our hearts with bridge pose. Lie down on your back with your knees bent and your feet flat on the floor. Close to your bottom. Rest your arms by your sides. Now, press into your feet and lift your hips up high, creating a bridge with your body. Can a little toy car drive under your bridge? This pose strengthens our back and legs and gives the front of our body a lovely stretch. Hold it for a few breaths, and then slowly lower back down. Let's become a happy baby. Still on your back, hug your knees into your chest. Now, grab the outsides of your feet and open your knees wide, pointing the bottoms of your feet up to the ceiling. You can gently rock from side to side like a happy, playful baby. This is a super fun pose that feels great on our hips and lower back. Giggle and play. Our next pose is the mighty downward facing dog. From your hands and knees, tuck your toes and lift your hips up and back, making an upside down V shape with your body. Spread your fingers wide and press your hands into the floor. You can pedal your feet, bending one knee and then the other, like you're walking your dog. Woof woof. This pose stretches your whole body, from your hands all the way down to your heels. And finally, our last and most relaxing pose, child's pose. Come back to your knees, bring your big toes to touch, and sit back on your heels. Now, fold forward and rest your forehead on the floor. You can have your arms stretched out in front of you or resting back alongside your body. Close your eyes and take a few slow, deep breaths. This is our quiet time to rest and feel all the good work we did today. You are calm, you are safe, and you are wonderful. Slowly, slowly, start to sit back up. You did an incredible job today, yogis. You stretched your bodies, you practiced your balance, and you gave yourself this special time to move and breathe. Remember, practicing yoga helps us stay flexible, strong, and calm. I'm so proud of you. Thank you so much for joining our yoga adventure. I hope you had as much fun as I did. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more fun yoga sessions. Keep practicing and keep smiling. See you next time. Bye-bye.